Hi, welcome back to QA Crackers. Today I will share the tutorial about principles of software testing that we need to follow while testing product. As you know, software testing is the process of verifying and validating software or application is bug free. For testing application, we need to follow some principles to make our application is bug free. That helps to tester for testing software with less efforts and time. There are 7 principles of software testing which we are going to learn today. First, testing shows the presence of defects. Second, exhaustive testing is not possible. Third, early testing. Fourth, defect clustering. Fifth, pesticide paradox. Sixth, testing is context dependent. And last one is absence of error fallacy. Testing shows the presence of defects. Test engineer tests the application for confirming that application is bug free. While testing, we can only identify that the application has any errors. The primary purpose of testing is to identify the number of unknown bugs with respect to various methods and techniques. Because tests should be traceable to the customer's requirement, that mean to find any defects that might cause the product failure to meet the client's needs. Testing does not mean that application is completely bug free, because sometimes during the different type of testing of the application does not identify the bugs at the developing stage but found at client's end after delivering application. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Sometimes it seems to be very hard to test the all modules and their features with all combinations of the input data throughout the actual testing process. Hence, instead of performing exhaustive testing, we can complete this type of variations according to the importance of modules, because the product's timeline will not permit us to perform such type of scenarios. Early testing. Here early testing means testing activity should start in early stage of the software development life cycle's requirement analysis stage. Identify defect at analysis stage, because if we find the bug at an early stage, it will be fixed in the initial stage itself, which may cost us very less as compared to future phase of the testing process. To perform testing, we will require the requirement specification document. If these documents are defined incorrectly, then it can be fixed directly rather than fixing them in another stage. Defect clustering. The defect clustering defines that all over testing process we can detect the number of bugs which are related to small number of the modules, which have various reasons for this, such as the module could be complicated, the coding part may be complex, and so on. This type of software follows the Pareto principle, which states that 80% complication is present in 20% of modules. With the help of this, we can find uncertain modules, but repetition of same test have difficulties, hence it will not able to identify the new defects. Pesticide Paradox. This principle states that the execution of same set of the test cases again and again, this cannot help us to find new bugs. To overcome on this pesticide paradox, review the all test cases frequently. New and different test cases necessary to be written for the implementation of multiple modules of application, which help us to find more bugs. Testing is context dependent. This principle is defined that we have multiple fields such as e-commerce, commercial website, and so on are available in market. There is a definite way to test commercial site as well as e-commerce site, because each of these have its own needs, features, and functionalities. To check this type of application, we will take help of various type of testing techniques, approaches, and multiple methods. Therefore, the testing depends on the context of the application. Absence of error fallacy. Once the application is completely tested and there is no bug identified before release, so we can say that the application is 99% bug free. But if when the application is tested for incorrect requirement, identified the flaws and closed within specified time, is not held as testing is completed on wrong specification, which does not apply to client's requirement. The absence of error policy means identifying and fixing the bug would not help if application is impractical and not able to accomplish the client's requirement and needs. Okay, that's it for today's session. Hope you are enjoying software testing tutorial. Please subscribe QA Crackers and share this video. Thank you.